Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS. Are you on GFL TV, the home of football? So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I must start with tonight's show. Okay, so William Gallas going to talk about the future. So now we say we want to enter transfer window, make us now ensure so then get William Saliba and Gabriel Magalhaes replacement, because if something serious happens to these two people now, you go see say we will get set back. Like next season now they talk say okay, one with the league, God forbid. The type of injuries will happen to Saka this season. I know they got already like 12 weeks out, 3 months, all this kind of thing. If Saliba experiences it next season, who replaces Saliba? If Gabriel Magalhaes experiences it next season, who replaces Gabriel? So these are the issues, because for now we have the likes of Jacob Kivior, who all things being equal, I expected they will sell him once season not end. Now we have Ben White, we have Tomiyasu that is coming in. So how all these things go be? Because even though Tomiyasu can play center back, Ben White can play, will they give it that same vibe, same quality of what Saliba and Magalhaes? Look at the right back. Timber come replace White. Timber they give her the same vibe, if not more. So if something you Timber now, White go come inside, slotty, you know, go like you go still you feel and say nothing they happen. They don't go feel lick there like a pot of soup. These are the type of signings. Like when you look at what Gallas is saying, because they say William Gallas says Arsenal need to sign Gabriel Magalhaes as Saliba replacement and meet Jacob Kivior claim. So former Arsenal defender William Gallas has said that the Gunners need to sign a defender to replace Saliba and the other man. I think Arsenal needs some experienced players. Maybe somebody that has won big prizes regularly and knows what it takes to get over the line. It's not that type of thing they talk. Saliba and Gabriel Magalhaes, they've got experience now, but they've been playing together for years. But who is behind them? Kivior. He has hardly played this season. So I don't want to read all the plenty and Gallas talk, but you get the point. So I don't know how that takes here. Getting the quality replacement for the likes of Saliba and Gabriel Magalhaes will not come cheap. Yes. But Arsenal fans will talk say defense is not our priority. That we should focus on. For you say we get many problems. You get, make us just help us. Make us just help us. Now they don't welcome Lewis-Skelly proper for the England setup. I see Eduardo Hagen posted the picture. Fabrizio Romano post. Everybody they post. Thomas Tuchel was welcoming him, talking to him. I even see another picture of Jude Bellingham and Jordan Henderson. They hug him, the friend they talk like they're happy to see him. All those kind of things. So instead, really glad. Because Fabrizio Romano say the first one for Lewis-Skelly, the first time he has been invited for England. So now major milestone. How many months this guy? When this guy start to play for Arsenal? Who know him? Before season starts, who know him? Even if you don't watch the Arsenal Academy, would you have thought his career would just fast track like this, back, don't get this level? No, you get. So kudos to Arteta, even though many people don't like to give him his accolades, but I give him maximum respect. He really try for this Lewis-Skelly. It was like 17 going on 18. So maybe when he gets to 18 years old and 19 years old, they go invite her because so that one safety. Now, away from this news. So based on the match we played yesterday, I watched Moses Caicedo press conference, like a post-match press conference interview, and they ask him questions. So he got something saying talk, we make the thing can generate a debate. They argue for social media. Now, after the match, Caicedo want to say, them prove say them better pass Arsenal. Say, and another two people need to look and say, Arsenal under Arteta, they don't do together for like 7 years. You get? So, and them just do together under 2 years. So now you need to look at that one too, but then she'll say yes, they are better. Until we are better than them, Caicedo said. They Arsenal are working like 7 years together, and us just 2 years. So we showed we were better than them. How? I want to you see, and you might finish. And yeah, that's good. You see, and when I see everything finished, before I talk about this, when I watch that video, the first thing that come to my mind, I say, I don't blame Caicedo. I blame Trossard. I blame Rice. I blame Odegaard. All those people who miss those chances. Supposed to this match 1-0 is 1-0 is nothing. It's supposed to pass like that. So I don't really blame her. If to say this match end like 4-0, like last season when I the 5-0, If say end like that, she know they come and talk all this thing. If say like 4-0 or 3-0, will Caicedo come outside to be saying this thing? We knock you. We get better record. When was the last time Chelsea beat Arsenal? You see, come outside, they open your book account, they say we are better than them. How? In fact, Football London felt very, very, very angry. They can't go to show, they can't educate Caicedo to say 7 years ago, this was the type of team where Arsenal they use. And some Arsenal fans say, if you don't forget, that's why I say sometimes you need to remember where you're coming from. This was where we were coming from. Compared to the type of team we have now, the starting 11 consisted of David Ospina, Bellerin, Shkodran Mustafi, Koscielny, Nacho Monreal, Xhaka, Ramsey, Wilshere, Ozil, Henrik Mkhitaryan, Danny Welbeck. Then our bench now Peter Cech, Callum Chambers, Kolasinac, Elneny, Iwobi, Maitland-Niles, Eddie Nketiah. Look at the type of squad we are coming from. So for these players, they are good in their own way, yes. But compared to what we have now, when they give us the best defensive level in the league, if we do and this season, it will be twice in a row. So for somebody to come and be talking all this kind of thing, well, I know really, like I said, I no blame her. You get, I no blame her. Natural side, I blame. Since Trossard, Boston, all those chances and give her. And that chance with Marino, why we keep her keep away, and you said, "No, I enter." Hey, nobody talk all this kind of thing because we are very poor on the night. So that one self day. Now, away from that, in our right self, when they come outside, they talk about she might talk and say that 1-0, you know, makes sense. So you're right. He's saying we were lucky. Say that 1-0 will play against Chelsea. So we were just fortunate to have scored that 1-0. You get, because we wasted chances. We were very poor on the night. Right, you're the para. Right, talk plenty things get for that match. Well, like right, we'll talk everybody. Moko no play Real Madrid like this. So go and show me so we'll create chance. We'll create chance. We'll dull ourselves to bury the chances. Baba. If we create 10 chances, at least, if you score 4 self, we are okay. If you create 10, if you score 4, you get that 4 self low. But that's the level we are at. So there's nothing we can do. Now, because I think what report is this? Okay, now I think I've taken that report. Now the same Ian Wright report. When it's of course to try to do more in respect of scoring goals because it's 1-0, is not done. We are just fortunate Chelsea were so poor. It goes back to the question of we no sign striker. Oh, Baba, we don't talk about one pass in the past, so we no get striker. So we no call the cry over spill to make about that again. All right, let me bring you our first message from one of our sponsors, Adexuela Aluminium and Glass. So they are into glass products. So they do aluminium windows and doors, frameless glass, stainless rail, sunbreaker and cladding, aluminium roofing, office partition, cashier cubicles, and many more. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on 070-8638-9722. And their office is located at number 64, Itire Road, Kayode Bus Stop, Mushin, Lagos. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. Now, away from that, so just ask now, can they ask one very important question? Where many people don't ask for social media. So the one they talk say, she make a try Martinelli for the number 9 role. May they come out Marino there. I don't know what you want to think. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Should Martinelli be moved to number 9 role? For me personally, for this question, I would say no. Because Martinelli now, when they play for wing, in as much as, yes, they score, he never scored like for that wing. But look at the Chelsea match. In pace, still they cause stress. You see, they cause danger. So we need that injection of pace because if he plays as a center forward, 2 big lanky defenders go the whole land. So it's and use our style of play, we use wings where with the stretch teams using the wings. Yeah. So for me, I would say Moko use them. If to say maybe Marino experiment they work. Because for now, I think nobody will come out and say Marino experiment is not work. In fact, somebody was bringing the argument in the morning say this thing where Ateta they do with Marino. If to say na Pep do one, carry Marino will be midfielder will never play center forward before. Come play there, come score the number of goals so you don't score. They go don't write many articles about Pep the president. They go don't do many videos of Sky for the president and say Pep is a tactician. He thinks outside the box, beyond the box, over the box. So see, I ain't think this thing. Nobody would have thought of it, but because now Teta all bets are off. Nobody really look inside. Nobody send that. You get so that one said they coming back to the original question. For me, I would say may they continue with the Marino. Do we really have a choice? Because Marino helps us to go long. If you put Martinelli there, we can't go long because don't forget, teams still set up against us 10 men behind the ball. So Marino being there gives us that chance to go long. Look at most of his goals. Yes, it helps us go long. Yes, so now me I say about what say you? What are your thoughts on this particular Martinelli Marino issue? Now, away from that, so the football London call they let us know within Damot Gallagher. They talk about the match Arsenal play against Chelsea, and call they talk say, they call they ask whether Arsenal supposed to go collect penalty and whether the red card they're supposed to give for Fofana, all those kinds of. So especially that Fofana will make I take down. I say Fofana, say that guy is very, very lucky because he was involved in a lot of controversial incidents during Arsenal Premier League victory. They say he was lucky not to have been not to have seen red card because he committed a lot of, if I make I read the quotes, he said Fofana was really, really lucky throughout the game. It wasn't just this. He committed a number of offenses. That was what Damot Gallagher was telling Sky Sports Rep Watch. He said, ironically, at the end of the day, he later collected a card, but not for violent conduct, though, for delaying a restart. So Damot Gallagher said, if to say don't collect yellow cards, see, because he said, I don't think the foul on Declan Rice was a red card, but it was a yellow card. And if he has gotten that yellow card, he will be very, very careful. All the other bookable offense when they do later, if you not do them, because fear for them, but they say, I'm going to go collect red card, don't make I not lose guard, don't make I be careful because 11-11 Arsenal the pepper us. So for one day 10, let me say that say go be. So, but it don't happen. We say it don't happen. You get all those things where the guy escape. Imagine seeing that Declan Rice they do them. The referee no go for me. I feel the referee no go apply indiscretion the way he take apply. But what do I know? You get so that one said he did. Now away from that, so George Kroenke was in the stadium for the London derby in the match against Chelsea. So in mural where they outside the stadium, they don't vandalize them because football London say George Kroenke mural vandalized as uncomfortable Arsenal scenario is growing. You get. So see how the mural be normal. They draw a face, another thing. So when people they can't deface them. One puts time to splash some cash, Josh. Gets they put on there, another person carry red paints. They paints the face, just scatter them. Get so fans of the data know say, look how you can't play. Get so once it's don't end, you don't want to hear story because they say Andrea Beta they make moves. I see plenty reports this night say Andrea Beta is making move, want to sign Kinikon. But I just purposely don't want to add them to this our news report because otherwise we'll just come down for all those levels for now. Big yes. So you want to sign the code, I want to sign this one, he's talking this and talking. Why has I never announced him? Why has I never announced Beretta? See, because everybody don't announce Fabrizio don't they ahead of Arsenal. Everybody they wait for official announcements. They will the on-stand don't announce. Fabrizio don't announce. Charles Watts, Ben Jacobs, everybody, Chris Weekly, will they wait for Arsenal to make the official announcement. Say yes. This is now our director of football. Even at that, they asked my press conference, they talk, say, when it's time, they will announce it. Can you come? Oh, well, we'll just watch. Anyway, they go. I mean, at the end of the news drop, I will let you know. All right, on our next sponsor that is powering today's video, Mobile Water Associates and Co. Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 80 6464 2234, and they're located at number 7 the Kenilworth Road, Oriazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, do reach out to them. Now, the biggest news of the night, William Gallas, who's a football pundit and a former Arsenal player, calling on Arsenal to ensure say then get Saliba and Magalhaes replacement, not just any replacement, but capable replacement. So they say if them come on Magalhaes now, put the person, you will still get confidence. Just like as they come up and why they put Simba, it say the confidence is not lost, the trust is not lost, it is still there. 100, you get. But if you talk say who we get to replace him, we have Ben White, we have Tomiyasu, we have Jacob Kivior. And Ben White no go play that left-sided centre back, then Jacob Kivior. So imagine a situation whereby maybe Magalhaes will get issue. But I think Calafili can fill up there, you get. But I don't just know how all this thing will be because Calafili is not really as aggressive as Magalhaes. But the truth is, to get the quality center back, oh, they fine, to replace this people, it will cost money. And if Arsenal go to buy that kind of person now, Arsenal fans go revolt, say, don't be our problem, be that. When I go give us striker. So in our hierarchy of needs, I think the top priority is a center forward, followed by a winger, before we talk about defensive instability that I want to convert to stability. So we'll leave that one. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So till I come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night. And I'll get out. All right, guys. Now bye-bye.